The aerospace and defense industry is the second largest and fastest growing industry in Oklahoma, with over 206,000 jobs and a total of $44 billion in annual statewide economic activity. It is easy to see why this industry continues to gain both local and national recognition. Now everybody else, you need to either be back there long ways, probably up around where that mule's at. Almost 90% of the 110,000 jobs that comprise the state's aerospace industry are in the business of maintaining, repairing, and overhauling, or MRO, aircraft. Oklahoma has one of the highest concentrations of skilled aviation workers and aircraft repair facilities in the world and is recognized as one of the 7 centers in the world for the MRO of aircraft.
Every rocket's a little bit
Oklahoma
different,
has a storied history of being at the forefront of innovations in the aerospace industry, and the momentum of the state is experiencing today is continuing to propel this amazing industry forward for future generations. CKTC's Pre-Engineering program offers Aerospace Engineering as a course for high school students in the surrounding area. Here they learn the fundamentals of flight and complete hands-on projects such as rocketry to master these skills. Our students designed, built, and launched custom rockets through the use of computer-aided modeling. Our goal is to stay one step ahead of the employment opportunities of this great state and ensure that our students are equipped for the ever-changing engineering job market. For more information about how your student can capitalize on this life-changing opportunity, visit cktc.edu to learn how they can enroll.